Hi everyone, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with I'm going to call it a mystery unboxing. Basically, this is a big old box that has arrived from America today. I'm lucky enough that I have somebody in America that I ship things to, and periodically they are sent over to me. So this is 20 plus hair polishes that I've been collecting through D-Stash pages over the last few months. I can't really remember. It was all a blur, so when I unwrap them it's going to be like I'm seeing them the first time and that I can't even remember what I originally ordered. So if you want to look through this totally random hair polish mystery box plus a few extras I think along the way, yeah, keep watching. So Hare Polish, for you that don't know, is a brand that finished and closed up shop about 5, 6, 7 years ago now. I'm obsessed. I think they were great. They were so ahead of their time. When I look back on the hair polishes now, I think they're just amazing, and it's really hard to pick them up. I will link below some of the places where I've found these along the way, just so if you are wondering, I will link them down below. But you kind of have to be there in the right place at the right time to grab some. But I have some very scary kitchen scissors, and they're all kind of wrapped up really nicely. I have pre-unwrapped a few just in that little gap that you didn't even know, but we're going to cut through, unwrap, and yeah, see where we get to. So the first 6, which are the ones that I've unwrapped already ahead of this video so you don't get super rustly, was a collection all together. So there are 6 polishes, and these are the ones with the gold hair polish label on the front with the rabbit, if you can see there at all. So there is 3 incarnations of the hair polish logo sticker on them, and then we hopefully will see, we're definitely going to see the really original old school one as we go through this collection. But I'll try and insert bottle shots and go through these. So the first one that we have is called Garmonbozia, and this is a, I don't know why I'm showing you because you're going to see the close-up bottle shot. This is a kind of burgundy base, and then we have orange squares, pink hexes, and then smaller white hexes and yellow squares. So we're in like an autumnal kind of mix. I do not know what Garmonbozia means. If you're watching this and these first 6 mean something to you, let me know, because like I say, I think they were part of a collection together. But Garmonbozia is our first hair polish in this epic haul. The next one is called Sparkwood and 21, and this is a kind of cornflowery blue colour, and then we have tons of tiny little flakies. They're not glitters, they are very much smaller than that, and they are rose gold and bronze. Yeah, really pretty, and you should know that I love blue and bronze together. Sparkwood and 21. A darker blue, and this is the Norwegians Are Leaving, and this is all really like icy, so we're getting this icy cobalt blue, and then the glitters in here are all kind of semi-translucent and kind of like sharded, and they're mainly metallic, so we're kind of getting an icy feel in this. The Norwegians Are Leaving. My Log Has Something to Tell You is the next one. This has not got too much shimmer in it. It's kind of like a cool toned grey, and then there is bronze and purpley little flakes in there. Not a lot of them though. It's going to be more of a dainty look on the nail. My Log Has Something to Tell You. I don't know what it has to tell me. And the last 2 in this first little set is called She's Filled with Secrets, and this looks really pretty. It's a plummy base, and then there is purple kind of shredded hexes, and then there's little white hexes and gold, so you know, purple, white and gold in the purpley base. She's Filled with Secrets. And then we have Ghostwood National Forest, which looks to be either a grey or a really dark green. I don't think I'm going to tell till I get it on the nails there, but just because it's called the forest, I'll say greenwood. Ghostwood on forest makes me think that it's going to be green. And then again, there is lots of silver in there, so mainly silver glitters in the green based. Ghostwood National Forest. So let's just go at random now. So we're going to open through some of these next ones here. The first one that we have is this beautiful green, and this is called Trust No One, Suspect Everyone. And it's a lime green, and then there is tons of glitters in there. Again, sometimes it's really hard. They're either green glitters or they're white glitters in there, but they look green where they're in the green base. The only thing that's concerning me a little bit is this does look to be quite a sheer base, but we'll work that out once we get to it. So trust no one, suspect everyone. Rules to live by. Some of these are requiring quite a lot of cutting. I have so many like here that I've got to cut through tissue paper. So they were very, very securely packaged indeed. And once I got through all of that, we have the knockouts of the double R. This looks to me such a wintry, icy polish where you are in this almost grey toned blue, and then there is hex glitters and tiny little silver glitters with a blue shimmer in there. Stunning. The knockouts of the double R. I wish these meant more to me, but they're just fantastic, whimsical names. The next two that we've cut out are Inverse Universe, and this is like a purpley base, and then the glitters in here are all, it's almost like just really, really flaky dense, like there's no space within the base. It's all, that rhymed, I had to stop there. There's no space within the base, it's all kind of there, like the glitters and flakes kind of run out, and there's also a little bit of a hollow feel to it. Inverse Universe. And then we have Desperately Seeking Blue Skies, which is a blue, and the glitters in here are a bit more sparse, where we are going for kind of like pearlescent, opalescent, and then there's some silver and there's some duochrome in there. Desperately Seeking Blue Skies. And the next one that we have is called Afterglow, and Afterglow is a beautiful denim-y, little bit grey colour with then hot pink and orange flakies in them, all metallic. I love that combo. You see that pink. Afterglow, really pretty. An icon. Seeing the name, Abbot Kinney. I just love the names. I don't know if they even mean anything, but Abbot Kinney is one of those polishes that I knew that I really wanted to have. It's really, really ugly pretty when you look at it. It's kind of like a taupey base, black circles, green glitters, pink glitters, and almost like a golden glitter in there. It's all the types of colours that really shouldn't work. Abbot Kinney. The next two we have unboxed are, the Red Room, which is definitely not a reference to Avengers because this is way before that in Black Widow. But this is a red, and then we're getting white and black in the base, glitters in the base. So we're getting black, white and red, classic combo, the Red Room. And the other one we have here is called Cosmo Blossoms. Really pretty and simple. Purple with green glitters in there. And I love a clashing colour combination. Cosmo Blossoms. I've come across one of the ones that was the non-hair polish in there. I think there's only one or two in this whole thing. And I actually picked up some of these from my friend Zenora. Zenora and I have met in person when I was in Canada before, and she's a long-time YouTube friend on here, and she was getting rid of some of these hair polishes, so I purchased them from her. And she was also selling this iconic Deborah Lippmann Shake Your Money Maker. This just looks like dollar bills, where it is green and gold. I think it's either in a clear base or an almost clear base. And it's just so good, and I really, really lusted after it for a really long time. So very, very happy that Zenora decided that she could part with that one. So that one was Shake Your Money Maker by Deborah Lippmann, and I've never actually had a Deborah Lippmann in the box, so that's also very exciting. Back to some more hairs. We have Cast in Bronze, which is this purple with a ton of orange, almost like coppery, like they're really, really orangey, metallic, bronzy glitters in there, but I really love it. That colour combination is stunning. Cast in Bronze. And we have Damn Fine Coffee, which is a perfect coffee colour, where it is the brown, and then we have tons of gold and bronze glitters in there, and they're almost like they're quite small, but they're a variety of different sizes. That's really, really pretty and great for the autumn, which we're definitely in winter, but I'll still wear it. Damn Fine Coffee. We then have Daddy Warlock, which is a linear holographic? Yeah, a linear holographic with also some bronze flakies in there. This must be one of the newest ones, so I don't remember seeing any other holographics from hair. This is definitely the first holo that I have. Daddy Warlock. I've come across the other non-hair polish in this collection. This is actually a gift from Zenora to my daughter. This one is called Moments Till Midnight by Pretty Serious. Andy loves blue nail polish. Whenever I paint her nails, it's blue, so she's definitely going to appreciate that one. So thank you so much, Zenora. We have Zoltar Speaks, and this is a really nice turquoisey tealy colour, and this has got gold and silver, tiny, tiny flakes in there, but they're so super dainty. I love these colour combinations are just perfect for me. Zoltar Speaks. And we then have, let me cut this out of the paper here, Own Your Own Opulence. This looks to be a topper, and I don't think I own any other hair polish toppers in my life. This is a really fun combination where it's yellow, black, pastel blue and green, blue and pink and gold. It possibly could be opaque by itself, or I might need to wear it as a topper. We'll have to work that one out. That one is called Own Your Opulence. We then have Wrapped in Plastic, which is another iconic shade, and this is a really, really nice light grey blue with white and gold hollow, and white and gold and hollow glitters in here. So, so pretty. That's going to look perfect in the winter time, wrapped in plastic. We have 2 left, and then that is the end of this, and oh my goodness me. So, so pretty. So then we have Dog Daydream, and this is just radiating. I don't think you can see. It's like a hot cherry base, and then the glitters in here are bright orange and bright purple, but all those bright colours together just looks like a festival, or looks like a party, fiesta. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling the vibes. Dog Daydream. And we wrap this video up with The Sky Was Pink, which I truly, not on purpose, have left the best one till last, because this is pink with blue. And I love that colour combination so much. I think this needs to settle because all the blue is kind of tilted to one side. But it's tiny, tiny blue flakes, and they're in a variety of like light, medium and dark blue in the pink base. I'm obsessed. If I was to make a polish, this would be the polish that I would make, and I would probably make it in the other way around as well, so I'd have blue with the pink, because I just love that combination. So finishing us up is The Sky Was Pink. I've actually lied to you. I've just rummaged through my papers and I found some that I haven't unwrapped. So it's a good thing that I just did a check before I threw all the paper away. We have 5 more, as if I thought that was enough. So this one is Magic Mist, and this is a lilac-y lavender base with blue, purple and orange and pink glitters in there. Again, really fun base. I love when like orange and blue together. Again, contrasting on the colour wheel. Really love that together. Magic Mist. I'm still laughing to myself that I thought I was finished. The next one that we have is called The Owls Are Not What They Seem, and this is a greyish putty base, and then there's really big glitters actually in this. It's probably the biggest glitters we have, and there's circle rose gold, brown chocolatey metallic and tiny gold ones as well. It's kind of an owly kind of colour. So The Owls Are Not What They Seem. We have Flesh World, and this is ugly pretty again. This is a yellowy base, and then we have black, pink and golden glitters in there. Some are circle, some are square, a variety of sizes. Flesh World. And now truly, she's looking around. We're on to the last 2. So this one is Test Your Love, and this is one of those ones we've kind of seen earlier, as in like the shredded fine flakies are so like dainty and soft in the raspberry base. Like the raspberry with the golden flakes in there is just really, really beautiful, and it's almost going to look kind of like a sweet, like sugary to the nail. So pretty. Test Your Love. And now the final polish is called Leap Light Year. Oh my days, so good. It's a, oh, gonna throw it, a hot kind of like cherry base, and the glitters in here, which are all stuck to one side, so we're going to need to settle this one, are enormous flaky glitters, which are metallic, silver and pink, I think. That rhymed as well. And tiny silvers. So I think we have metallic pink and we have silver squares and then little tiny silvers. Which one of these to wear first? So that was a lot of hair polish. And like I said, you're not always in the right place at the right time for these, and I feel bad even really because I know there's some people that are probably out there that really would love some more hair polishes in their life, and I'm greedy and I certainly would love some more. I will link below down there for a few of the little sites that I use and places that I shop on Facebook. I use the Nearly No Rules Nail Polish sale, which is the US one that I use, and then there's a couple of UK ones as well that I go through, and you never know what people are going to find. It's always good just to ask out there and see if anybody was getting rid of something that you might really like. That was quite something. I don't know if we're going to have that sort of hair polish collection haul ever again, really, because that was a lot. I don't even know what to wear first. I'm so giddy, I don't even know. Comments, thoughts, everything down below. I'm going to go lay down because that was a lot. I'll see you soon. Bye.